Hello guys, it is Saturday and it is raining. Let me see if I can pull this out of the tripod here without disturbing the world too much. Yeah, so we got this Optima that we just finished up. It's a very nice typewriter. You can see this is a tested Optima machine in the way that it types. Oops, some of it's me. This is a pretty nice machine, something smooth about its action. This I just didn't return the carriage all the way. But yeah, it's a very nice Olympia SM3-like machine. We redid this one, repainted it, and did all the stuff, cleaned it up. Got it all cleaned up on the inside. There's some dust in there. Little tiny din spools, just for testing purposes. But yeah, this machine is pretty decent. It's not my favorite machine, but you know, when you have a million typewriters to play with, it's kind of hard to top some of the best. It's very smooth in the action, very, it has this nice little thunk to it. But yeah, there's these buttons right here, and on the SM4, it's a plus and minus for adding and subtracting tab stops. But on this machine, go out this far right here. This is the add a tab button, and then this is your actual tab button. Like usually you're used to the tab button being up here, but nope, I got one set for a 4 mark, and then there's the one we just set there, and there's no more tabs. But yeah, we can, let's see, set tab, and then stop tab. You got this button right here, a minus. That's your minus, where you would normally see a minus right here. This is your minus. You can tab over and then minus out your tab, and there, now you got no tab there. It just goes all the way to stop. It also does a full tab clear, so you just hold this down and it just runs the whole, it basically pushes up this little bar underneath that slides the whole thing. As the carriage slides, it just erases all of your tabs at once. So if you want to just do one tab, you just do a quick press, or you can hold this down and it'll erase your whole tab line. I was confused when I first got this. I thought maybe there was an issue, the machine was broken, because like I said, I was so used to the plus and minus, and then I thought this is the tab button, but every time, it would move like a tab, but it just wouldn't function like a tab because it's erasing all my tabs. But yeah, that's enough rambling about that. It's a great machine. I like it. Wouldn't want to take one apart again. It's very complex on the inside, but it is good to go and clean and ready to type. So other than that, look out for this one if you guys are looking for an Optima. This one will be up soon. So that's this Saturday type test. All right guys, Hot Rod Typewriter Company, have a good day. Bye.